John Deere employs around 70,000 people worldwide, but the year 2024 has brought recurring announcements regarding workforce reductions. In fact, so many that keeping up can be a challenge. The latest cuts are in Moline, Illinois, where the company has informed workers in its seeding and cylinder operations that 120 employees will be placed on, quote, indefinite layoff, effective June 28th. According to Deere, each of its factories, quote, balances the size of its production workforce with the needs of the individual factory to optimize the workforce at each facility. Makes sense in theory, but there might be more to it when it comes to Deere's strategic plan. In a statement a Deere representative referred to as unrelated, the company also said last week that it will be shifting some production from its Dubuque Works facility in Iowa to a new facility in its building in Ramos, Mexico. Deere says that, quote, when the facility is operational in 2026, production of mid-frame skid steer loaders and compact track loaders will be relocated from Dubuque Works to Ramos. And while the Dubuque facility will continue to manufacture other loaders, backhoes, and dozers, the number of related layoffs at the plant depends on production levels, attrition, and Deere's ability to reassign certain workers for other roles by 2026, meaning there is a big question mark hovering over the workforce in Dubuque. Deere told us the announcement at Dubuque Works reflects the company's, quote, commitment to evolving its business model, products, and processes to address rising manufacturing costs and improve operational efficiencies. Other regional reports have highlighted additional job cuts in Iowa, including 243 layoffs last week that involve plants in Ankeny, Urbandale, and Waterloo. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.